Maria Nila Sheer Silver is the perfect line to neutralize golden tones in the hair without affecting the quality of the hair. The range includes a shampoo and conditioner that is suitable for daily use and a mask that we advise you to use 1 or 2 times a week. All products within this range contain violet pigments, which neutralize golden tones, and blackberry extract that brings shine and strength to the hair structure. In your shower routine, always start with the Sheer Silver shampoo to clean your scalp and hair. The shampoo has a pH of 5.5 to 6, which will also open your cuticle just as much needed to clean and give the violet pigments the chance to reduce the golden tones, without affecting the quality of the hair or leave it dry. That's why you can also use this in a daily routine. After the shampoo, use a mask and towel dry hair and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. The mask has a pH of 5 to 5.5, which is the same as the hair's natural pH value. This will make it easy for the hair to absorb all the boosting ingredients, such as vegetable protein sourced from potato that increases strength, repairs, and gives a conditioning effect to the hair. Always end your shower routine with a conditioner to close the cuticle. A closed cuticle will give you more shine, non-tangled hair straws, and a healthier look. The Sheer Silver conditioner has a pH of 4 to 4.5, which will make this happen for you. If you have the possibility, leave the conditioner in for a minute before rinsing. Sheer Silver has a fresh scent of orange and grapefruit, with flowery tones of gardenia, jasmine and violet. The Sheer Silver is perfect for all blondes, but suggested for a lightening level 7 to 10. Since the shampoo has a lower pH and is formulated with a perfect balance of violet pigments, it can also be used on a daily basis on dry and damaged hair. If you are a brunette with blonde highlights and you feel that they are too golden, you should definitely try Sheer Silver.